Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your eFootball not compatible with your device. Now the main reason it shows you this is because due to lack of storage. So if your phone doesn't has even 2 GB free, that is the main reason, because to download eFootball you need to have minimum 2 GB free on your phone. So try to delete other things and clear up 2 GB space on your phone and you should be able to download eFootball. And the other reason why eFootball is not compatible with your device is if you have a really old phone. So if you have like an iPhone 6 or iPhone 5, of course it's not going to run. Or if you're using a really old Android device as well, it's not going to run. So make sure your device is the latest device. It doesn't even has to be latest. Make sure it's semi-latest. Make sure it was released in the last 5 years and it should be able to run eFootball. So that's the main reason why you're not able to run eFootball in your device. The other thing could be that eFootball is not available in your country. If it is not available in your country, try to use a VPN to download it. That's the only thing you can do. So I hope you understand how you guys can fix eFootball not compatible with the device problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future eFootball videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.